friends, I'm Yahya. Let's learn the letter Alif today. Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. 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 Alif.
Yahya, how do you write the letter Alif?
From the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom.
Wow, good job, Yahya. Wait, is there any Arabic words that starts with Alif?
Yes, we will learn how to say lion and rabbit in Arabic. These two words start with Alif. Like Arnab. 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 Arnab.
Good job, Yahya. Alif stands for Arnab. Arnab is rabbit in Arabic. How do you say the word lion in Arabic?
Like Assad. 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 Assad.
Now kids, let's read together. It's your turn to read.
Your turn to read. Great job! Subscribe to my Kids TV for new videos like this.